I'm Dr. Chuck Lee with 7-Day Dental. Now that you have the 7-Day Dental Teeth Whitening Kit, let me show you how to open it and activate it and use it. First of all, you open it up, you will see the light vibrating gadget, the mouthpiece, and the 4 syringes. Underneath, you will see usually have an extra battery and also instruction how to use and a shade tab. What you want to do is open this light activating gadget first. Opening this one is a little tricky because sometimes it's very hard to open. So this one, I've opened it already, so it was easy. Then what you have to do is get the battery out and remove the cover from the battery. Then you put it back in, and the light should goes on when you push this button, and it also should vibrate. A lot of times, if you're having problem, you can use a dull knife to open, and you just want to get the blade right in between here, or use a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, or even a box cutter. But just be very careful doing that. Then what you want to do is remove this part, this mouthpiece. When you remove this mouthpiece, it will look something like this. Then what you do is you join it onto this, what's like so. Then what you need to do is get one of the syringe, take it out, and break the head, the tip of it off, and that you'll be able to inject the whitening solution onto your teeth. Now in the instruction it says to put it on the mouthpiece. However, if you do that, you waste a lot of material. So I recommend is you put it directly on the teeth, the front part of your teeth, all your upper teeth, and then all the lower teeth. Now you just want to do it in the smile zone, because this tray, as you can see, this tray does not go all the way in the back, so you just need to use it in the front of the teeth and also in the front, the smile zone. Also remember, it doesn't whiten the back side of your teeth, so you don't need to put it on the back side of your teeth. And then after you put it on your teeth, you put it on this, you look in the mirror and put it on the teeth, then you activate it, like so. Now this, when you activate, it does 3 things. The light activates the whitening gel solution. Second, it vibrates, and if you look at the mouthpiece, it has some rugged area or indentation and protrusion that it acts as, and it vibrates. Since it vibrates, it acts as a cleaning action as well. So it just activates, and you're able to get your teeth whiter faster. And when you turn it on, the light will go on and it vibrates, and it will last 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it goes off, you push it again, and you do another 10 minutes. A day, you only need to do about 20 minutes. And if you do this religiously for the next 2 weeks, you're gonna see huge results. Now, the advantage of the 7-Day Dental Whitening Kit is this: it's 0 sensitivity. We have been recommending and promoting this whitening kit for the last 3 years, and we have not had any patient that complained about any sensitivity. Now, if you do it religiously, that because it's 0 sensitive, you can do it religiously every day for the next 2 to 3 or 4 weeks. Now, after you use up all the 4 syringes, if you need to get some more, you can come to one of our offices and get the refill. Each syringe, you could use at least 3 to 4 sessions. It just depends on how much you put on your teeth. Anyway, thank you so much, and I hope you really enjoy it, because we've had a lot of patients that are very happy because of the whitening effect, how fast it works, and 0 sensitivity.